Hello everyone and welcome to iExamBee. So as we all know that on 17th of January SEBI conducted its exam for phase 1. So here we have made one analysis for paper 2, and in this video we are going to talk about specifically related to the information technology paper 2 only. We have got some kind of memory based question basically. So I'll be presenting you some memory based question, and further I'll tell you how iExamBee helped in the whole duration of the preparation. It can be the paid live classes, or it can be the free YouTube live classes that are being conducted, or the free mock tests that were provided. So we have got the numerous feedbacks, and here I'll be first presenting you the memory based questions, and after that I'll tell you what we have next for you for phase 2. Okay. So here you can see on the screen that these are the memory based questions which are asked in SEBI IT phase 1 paper 2. Okay, so here as we all know that these are the topics which are being asked in the paper 2. Okay, these questions were of easy to moderate level, I'll say. Okay, so they were very basic when they were asking the questions. Also they didn't allowed you to get into a trouble, because the level of question that they were being into is very easy to moderate. Okay, so the questions were related to the scope of variables, the characteristics of the tuple, and in the shell programming, how the shell program bash starts, with which command it starts, some concepts related to constructors, destructors, also Huffman algorithms, the operators which can be overloaded, and there were so many questions that were asked from n type of dimensions that were the part of SEBI phase 1 syllabus. So these are some of the questions that were being asked. Also some kind of coding questions were being asked, like this one. Here you have to guess the output. So while we were making students prepare, we also did the same thing, and I always told the student that you will not get a lengthy code out there. The code will be very light, but they will check you on your concepts. So like that thing happened in the examination. The students were getting the easy questions but very basic questions. If anyone was not able to understand the basic nature of a particular subject, the basic nerve of that subject, he or she will land up into some kind of different problematic situation. Okay, so here we have some kind of areas. So these were the things. There were very less number of questions that were asked from Python and R, and there, like for shell scripting, they were very basic. The majority of the part was belonging from the programming concepts. Okay, so these are some kind of memory based things. You all have gone through the examination and you are more aware than what we have presented here. Okay, so basically this will help you later on when you are trying to remember the questions, so you can get a hint from here. So now the major announcement that I want to make is, like, we are happy to announce that the 95% of the question contents were the part of the content that was provided from iExamBee. Okay, so when I talk about the 95% of the content, I mean by the concepts. Some of the questions, like the size of the class, empty class, that was totally ditto from our mock test. Okay, so whoever have gone through our mock test and whoever were the part of this journey till phase 1, they are closely related to us, and they can analyze that the 95% of the questions, content and the concepts were provided from iExamBee. Okay, and this is not straight away from our mouth, it is from the students' feedback that we are putting with so much of clarity, that we are happy to announce that a majority of the question content, which is more than sufficient to just pass this examination, was from our side. So this was the relationship between the iExamBee and the SEBI IT. So the next thing is like the attempt analysis. So here I'll be talking about only for paper 2. Okay, so total there were 50 questions. Okay, we all know that. So out of these 50 questions, you know that there was a cutoff criteria, that was a predefined thing that was set to 40%. So when it was 40%, there is a clear-cut boundary of 20 questions that you have to attempt correctly without any negative. But this is an ideal situation. So exceptionally, it is like you have to attempt at least 20 questions to get that 40% of the criteria. Okay, but nobody is having 100% of the accuracy, so there will be defaults where you will get some kind of deductions, you will get some negatives. So a decent attempt will be the 30 questions out of the 50 questions, and a good attempt will lie definitely between the 35 to 40. If you're above that thing, and if your accuracy is clear with you, if you keep a track on your accuracy and you're attempting more than 40 questions, then you may be the topper on the list. Otherwise, if you're not keeping a check on your accuracy and you are attempting above 40 questions, then you may land up with a huge negative. Okay, so there should be a balance with the speed to accuracy here. Okay, so according to me, if you have attempted 30 to 40 questions, you can start preparing seriously for the phase 2. Okay, so now when I talk about phase 2, what the relationship is that between iExamB and SEBI IT phase 2 paper 2. So we are trying to help you by providing the descriptive mock test to just give a finishing touch to your coding areas. So as you know that in paper 2, which is going to be purely coding test, will have 3 sections. One will be of the data structure, one for the algorithms, and the third one will be of the string manipulation. So here there are 40, 40 and 20 criteria which is given to each part. Okay, so definitely there will be the codes and you have to write those codes with the help of functions, and all those things are being there. So we are providing you the descriptive mock test to just get a practice, real-time examination practice. Okay, the things that you will get benefit from these things are like, we will provide you full answer analysis to every question that you answer on our portal. So whatever you attempt on our portal, wherever you are wrong, we will provide you the proper whole descriptive answer, plus where you went wrong, how you can increase your areas which are weak, how you can work on your strong parts, how you can work on your weak parts, where to attempt, how to attempt, which language is best if you are not even aware of C++, Java or Python. So these are things we are going to help you from these perspectives. Okay, then the third point is like, we cover all the concepts. The questions that will be phrased for descriptive mock test will belong from all the concepts that are being covered strictly by SEBI syllabus. Okay, so what we have is like, for free content, you can have descriptive mock test, we can have live YouTube sessions, and there are live classes for the paid students where we'll just deeply work on the concepts so that they can perform well in the examination. So guys, what I'll say now, that the time is very less. Come and join the journey for SEBI IT phase 2 with us, and timing is running faster than you and countdown has just begun. So without wasting any time, you can go and try our website iExamB.com, and there you can check with our mocks also that what was the level of the examination and what was the level of our mocks test. So I'll say our mock tests were very difficult as compared to the original SEBI examination which happened. So going forward, we are always there to help you out in every kind of examination. Just be with us, maintain the trust, and you will get a safe landing. So guys, if you like this video, if you want more updates on SEBI IT phase 2, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also do comment whatever your attempts were. We are there to help you with the answers as well. If you have any kind of doubts that these kind of questions were asked and what will be the probable answer, then we are always there to help you out. So just start commenting and let us know how was your exam. So guys, keep practicing and stay safe.